waist is 27. Hips are 37.5. They're a little bit bigger today, I don't know why. Thighs are 21. Weight is 136.8. So fluctuating a little bit today. And some coconut water. Okay. So I wanted to talk about the power of raw foods and what they can do. I think some people, maybe a lot of women out there, think that, there's nothing I can do about my looks. It's just part of the aging process to grow fine lines and wrinkles, and it's just a part of getting old, and there's nothing really I can do about it. Well, there is something you can do about it. If you start hydrating your body more and adding more vitamins and nutrients, just all nutrients to your body will repair itself. It's similar to a wilted plant. After you add water to the plant, it'll perk back up. I've seen a plant go from just completely wilted and flaccid, where I literally thought the plant was dead or not beyond repair. I mean, just completely wilted. And as soon as I add water, moments later, it's completely perked back up and with no sign of any stress at all. So I believe the same thing can happen with your body and with your skin and with your internal organs. Once you add water and hydrate your body, rehydrate your body, and give your body tons of nutrients, your body will just absorb all that and perk back up, so to speak. So if you're struggling with weight, not only will you lose weight, your skin will also become firmer and more hydrated and smoother. Along with exercise. Exercise will also really help the skin. So absolutely you can repair damage to your body with raw foods. If your body has been in a sort of a dehydrated state for years and years and years, of course the skin is going to wrinkle and sag, because dehydrated skin is just like a plant, it's going to wilt. But once you rehydrate it and add vitamins, your cells will become firm again. Your skin will become firm again. I'm not saying an 80-year-old is going to look like a 20-year-old. I'm not saying that, but you'll have a glow about you. Your skin will be glowing and radiant, and it won't be dull. So never think it's too late. It's never too late to start eating healthy and repair your body, regenerate your skin, lose all that extra weight that you've been trying to lose forever, and perk back up. never too late. So, and you have to believe in the healing power of raw foods. You know, yes, people know that fruits and vegetables are healthy, but I'm not sure everyone is aware that they really are medicine. You don't need to buy all these crazy expensive cosmetics, skincare cosmetics. All you have to do is eat raw fruit and vegetables if you want. Eat raw fruit and vegetables. You know, keep the dehydrating processed food out of your body. And, you know, and that's really all you have to do. And that being said, one little tip I do is I stopped buying lotions and skincare products a long time ago because a lot of them are tested on animals and have crazy chemicals that you don't know what you're putting on your skin. When you put it on your skin, it absorbs into your capillaries and into your bloodstream. So start being aware of what you're rubbing into your skin. For that reason, I don't use sunscreen anymore. I used to slather on the sunscreen really thick, several times a day. Because I did not want the sun drying out my skin. So what I do is after I get out of the shower, or I'm about to go somewhere, to hydrate my skin, I just rub fruit juice on my skin. I think I'm out of lemons. So I'll just use a lime. So you want a raw piece of fruit, not anything that comes in a bottle or anything, right from the fruit. And this works just as well as lotion. Just squeeze the juice. You don't really want to rub the actual fruit on your skin because then you'll get pulp residue all over your skin. And just rub it in. It also has a nice scent to it. Really citrusy. You just rub it in. All over your legs, all over your entire body. Lemon juice works really well. Grapefruit juice works really well. Any kind of fruit. And if I don't have something that can squeeze a lot of juice out of, I just cut off a piece of melon rind or something. So we have some watermelon. I could just rub the watermelon. And this is not like citrus. It doesn't have those little tiny compartments that break off. Onto your elbow, just everywhere, all over your face. And this will hydrate your skin if you feel like your skin is looking dry. So it saves you hundreds, sometimes I think some women probably spend thousands of dollars on skincare products. And all you need to do is eat fruit and rub fruit on your skin. That's all I do. And you don't want to contribute to animal testing. You know, these companies, they don't put photos of the animal testing on their products. They don't want anybody to know about that because it's horrible what is being done to these animals. So you don't want to contribute to that. Just everywhere that might be a little bit dry. All over your legs. Watermelon's not really sticky, but sometimes with lemon and citrus, it'll be a little bit sticky. Just give it sometimes it'll take up to 20 minutes to absorb into the skin. It sits on the surface of the skin at first, and then once your skin absorbs it, it'll be really soft. So, this is all I do for skincare. So start believing in the healing medicinal power of raw fruits. It is there. It is real. Absolutely. The more you experiment with it, the more you will see for yourself. Okay? also, if you really want your skin looking really glowy and clear, do some sweaty exercise. Because sweaty exercise will cleanse out all your pores because you release toxins through your sweat and it flushes out your skin. It's really good for your skin to exercise and sweat. So try that as well. So you can absolutely repair damage. Don't ever feel like it's too late. You know, if you feel like a wilted plant right now, all you gotta do is rehydrate your body and get those nutrients and water in your body, and you will perk back up.